Whether you're measuring on a production line or in an R&D lab, it's important that scheduled calibrations take place to ensure accurate measurements. It's easy to check your calibration history in SoundCheck. Every time we calibrate in SoundCheck, our last cal date is visible in the calibration editor. This is true for all of our signal paths in calibrated devices, whether or not they're on the input or the output side. But did you know that you can also view your entire calibration history? Let's take a look at how to do that. I've got my memory list open, and over here on the Values tab, I've got my cal group expanded. If I double-click on microphone 1 sense in and drag mic 1 gain in over here, this reflects the calibration I did just a moment ago. Here's my sensitivity, and this is the current gain value on the signal path. If I want to see the entire calibration history, I open the mic1.dat file into the memory list, and now I have access to all of the calibration history with date and timestamps going back a number of years. Now I'll take these values and drag them over here into my table so I can take a closer look at them and see how stable my calibration values have been over time. So there's a quick look at how to examine your calibration history in SoundCheck. This will work for any calibrated device, be it input or output, and in some cases you're going to have curves available as well. For example, if you're looking at amplifier or mouth calibrations.